How to restore closed tabs in Google Chrome. Whether you accidentally closed a single tab or an entire browser window, Chrome makes it easy to recover your browsing session. Let's start with restoring a group of tabs. Open Google Chrome, click the three-dot menu in the top right corner, then select History. Under Recently Closed, you'll see your most recent browsing session. Click Restore Window or select the recently closed window to reopen all of your tabs at once. Now, if you only closed one or two tabs, there's an even faster method. Simply press Ctrl plus Shift plus T on your keyboard. Each time you use this shortcut, Chrome reopens the last closed tab, so you can press it multiple times to restore additional tabs. If the tab you're looking for isn't restored, click the three-dot menu, go to History, and check the Recent Tabs section. If it's still not there, open the Full History page, where you can browse your previously visited websites and reopen the pages you need. And that's it. Those are the quickest ways to restore closed tabs in Google Chrome and recover your browsing session. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more quick and easy Google Chrome tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.